So sabi nila risky mag motorcycle kasi pag bumangga ka or ikaw ang banggain, ikaw ang talo. Now, to lessen that risk, you need to be seen habang nasa kalsada ka. So guys, siguro naman kita na ako sa daan nito. Ha? I'm wearing my new cooling vest in neon green. You can see here the fans. Let's go for a ride. So, good morning. Today, let's do a Boodle review. Boodle review of my new cooling vest. So, it's a Shopee find. It's a Vovo cooling vest in neon green. Nakita ko kasi to gamit ni Dr. Francis. Siya rin ang nag-introduce sa akin ng idea of using a cooling vest while riding. Kung hindi ba naman ako maging visible pa sa daan nito, hindi ko na alam kung anong susuot ko pa. It's neon green with a reflector para day and night visible ka sa daan. The idea pa naman of riding a motorcycle is para magmukha kang cool, di ba? You want to be a cool rider or cool tito. Pero looking at my vest, it makes you cool pero parang hindi ka cool looking, no? Umiiwas tayo sa traffic. Dito pala traffic. May ginagawa. Sunod-sunod pala ang ginagawa dito. Actually, if you can see the workers on top and on the ground, may mga suot silang reflector gears. Itong suot kong cooling vest was actually designed for workers para makaiwas sa heat stroke. Grabe pala, kagulo-gulo na ang traffic dito. Kamali tayo ng ruta. So, sa ating mga matsyatsagang workers, tingin na kayo sa Shopee. I think this cooling vest might be very useful sa mga taong kagaya nyo. So, gaya nga ng sabi ko, looking at my vest right now, parang hindi ka mukhang cool. Pero okay lang. Di baling hindi ka mukhang cool basta hindi ka pawisan. Tsaka, since ang design ng vest ko is for construction workers, mukha ako ngayong contractor. Uso ngayon ng ganito. So maski hindi ako mukhang cool, Mukha naman akong contractor kaya pumupogi tayo. Uso kasi ngayon maging contractor, di ba? Pag contractor ka, pogi ka.
Wow!
So again, this is the Volvo cooling vest. It's made out of 100% polyester material. Breathable siya, lightweight. It's waterproof. So, maski biglang ulanin tayo, hindi tayo kakaba-kaba, hindi tayo matotoxic na nagmamadaling magsuot ng raincoat kasi the vest itself is waterproof. Aside from being waterproof, wrinkle-proof siya and dirt resistant. So, ang design ng vest, yung collar niya is parang Chinese collar. Okay lang. Yung sleeves and yung waist area garterized kasi nga it allows the air to circulate within. Mararamdaman mo yung air coming out from the neckline and axilla area. So the vest has two fans, 5 volts na fans. Mas malaki siya kaysa dun sa una kong cooling vest. So yung fans, located siya sa lumbar area, both sides, right and left. 5 volts siya. Hindi kasama ang power bank when you buy the vest. You need to buy a separate power bank for that. Currently, I'm using a small 10,000 milliamp na power bank. I guess enough na yun. The vest has 1 pocket sa chest area on the right side and 2 pockets sa lower part. No? Yung isang pocket sa left, sa baba, doon nakalagay yung power bank natin. So yung fans niya has 3 levels of power, low, medium, and high. Currently, I'm set on medium power. I'm afraid of setting it on high kasi I'm not sure baka madaling madrain ang aking power bank. Yesterday, I was using this. Naka medium level lang ako ng power. Maski half charge lang yung power bank ko, okay naman siya. Comparing it with my old cooling vest, yung fabric material kasi noon medyo manipis. Now this one, this is much better. High quality fabric polyester material siya. And you can see meron din siyang reflectors. It adds sa visibility mo, lalo na siguro at night. So it's almost 11 o'clock in the morning. Nasa Shaw Boulevard tayo ngayon and you can see, sikat na sikat ng araw. Ang tanong, working ba ang aking cooling vest? Honestly, syempre you can feel the heat, ng daan and ng araw. Pero you can also feel the air coming from the 2 fans sa likod. Ayan, ramdam ko siya, umaakyat sa may axilla area. So I think it's worth it na gumamit ng cooling vest. Better pa rin kaysa sa wala. If wala akong cooling vest right now, I'm thinking baka pawis na ako or basa na yung aking jersey. So tamang-tama itong cooling vest ko for today. Saturday hustle lang tayo. We'll go around Makati, then to Antipolo, then back to Quezon City. So susulitin natin tong cooling vest. Hi. So, on our way to Antipolo, kanina, inabutan tayo ng ulan sa may Makati. So, medyo malakas na ulan yon. But if you look at the rain clouds, mukhang localized lang dun sa area ng Makati na yon. I could see clear sky sa may area ng QC hanggang Antipolo area. So, I decided to wear my raincoat na pants kasi I'm sure madumi ang C5 para malinis pa rin ang aking pants pagdating sa Antipolo. I was thinking kanina if I should wear my upper raincoat, pero sabi ko mukhang titila naman yung ulan. Decided to continue wearing my cooling vest para matest siya kung talagang waterproof siya. And guys, waterproof nga siya. I'm still dry. Nagkataon din naman na yung long sleeves na jersey ko is quick dry, and I'm using elbow pads, kaya hindi naman din masyadong nabasa yung upper arms ko. So, malas ba na inabutan ako ng ulan? I don't think so. At least na-test yung aking cooling vest. The material talaga, it's made of 100% polyester na high quality fabric. Waterproof siya. It's a good buy. Okay, uwi na tayo. Let's go. So, balik tayo sa ating Boodle review. So, kumusta naman ang ating bagong cooling vest? So far, okay naman. The air is circulating sa likod and hanggang aksila, hanggang leeg. Naulanan tayo kanina and we were able to test kung waterproof nga siya. Waterproof nga siya talaga. Walang question. Kitang-kita ka sa daan, di ba? Pag hindi ko ba naman ba nakita, hindi ko na alam. In fact, kanina meron ako nakasabay na rider along C5. Napansin niya Sabi ko, look for it sa Shopee, cooling vest. And I told him, better pa rin kaysa walang fan. It helps. By the way, ang size ng vest na to is XL. The chest circumference is, I think, around 45 inches. Kung kukumpitin mo yun in centimeters, it's around 114 to 115 centimeters. Kaya naman XL ang kinuha ko because I want to use this cooling vest on top of my protective vest. Sinubukan ko na siya yesterday. Nagsuot ako ng protective vest, then on top of that vest ginamit ko itong cooling vest. So far okay naman. Ramdam ko pa rin yung circulation of air. Yun lang, syempre since naka protective vest ako, medyo limited yung cooling sensation. But again, better pa rin kaysa wala. Now I'm thinking, is it better if I got the double XL size? Meaning, mas malaking size para yung circulation ng air mas maluwag. Siguro may effect yon. But, pag kinuha ko naman yung double XL, sobrang laki naman. parang talagang uncool nang tignan yun. That's why I decided to get the XL size, and I think okay naman siya. I can still wear my protective vest under the cooling vest. So again, the name of the product is Vovo cooling vest. I'll try to post the link of the product sa description. You can buy it and try it yourself. If you ask my opinion, good product siya. So it's rush hour ng Saturday afternoon. Pabalik na tayo ng Quezon City. I expect traffic, pero okay lang kasi presko naman ang pakiramdam ko using my cooling vest. Medyo clear naman ang sky. Sana hindi na umulan. Kung umulan man, okay lang din kasi nga my cooling vest is waterproof. So ano pang inaantay? Bili na, budulan na. So uwi muna tayo. See you in my next video. Thank you for watching.